How to change page access on Facebook by Meta Business Suite. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. First and foremost, make sure that you are currently on your Facebook Meta Business Suite. From here, you have to head to the settings option from your left hand side options. Once you are in your setting, you have to select a profile that you want to switch the access on. Now under page access, you will see page setting. Go ahead and tap on page setting. In here in your left hand side, you will see new page experience. Go ahead and tap on it. To change a page access, right here you will see a add button. You have to go ahead and select the option of add. Once you select on add, go ahead and enter the username of the person that you want to add as an admin of the Facebook page. Once you tap on add, you can also allow or authorize the person regarding the responsibility of the person for the current Facebook page. Facebook will send them an invite to join as an admin to the Facebook page. Once they accept the Facebook page invite, they'll be able to join or get access to your Facebook page. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.